Hello guys, in this DelphStack tutorial, I'll show you how to fix error codes 0x8004255A and 0xA001B when downloading Windows 11 to a USB drive. We'll cover 5 proven methods. Let's get started. Method 1, use the media creation tool correctly. Download the latest Windows 11 media creation tool from Microsoft. Run it, select Create Installation Media for another PC, choose the correct language, edition, and architecture, then select USB flash drive and let it finish. These errors often happen if the tool is interrupted or misconfigured. Method 2. Format the USB drive. Insert the USB drive, open File Explorer, right-click the drive, and select Format. Choose FAT32 for UEFI systems or NTFS for drives larger than 8 GB. Enable Quick Format, click Start, then run the Media Creation tool again. This removes hidden USB issues that trigger the error. Method 3. Run the tool as administrator. Right-click the Media Creation tool, choose Run as Administrator, and allow full access to the USB drive. Without admin rights, the process can fail and show this error. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Use a stable connection, avoid public Wi-Fi, and use wired Ethernet if possible. Slow or interrupted downloads commonly cause this error. Method 5. Use a different USB drive. The USB drive may be faulty or incompatible. Use a reliable drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Insert the new drive and repeat the media creation tool process. After these steps, Windows 11 should download to the USB without errors. You can then use the USB to install Windows 11 on a compatible PC. That's it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes, and comment if you still have issues. See you in the next video.